Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We begin with a warning to retailers. Keep commodity prices stable. Scores of Jamaicans have flocked supermarkets to stock up on items as news spread that the country has an imported case of COVID-19. The warning came yesterday from the Prime Minister at the 20th anniversary function of Progressive Grocers. TVJ's Andrew Ladley reports.
Panic buying and price gouging wreaking havoc across global supply chains, and Jamaica is no different. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is urging retailers to be fair with their prices, but at the same time, he had this charge.
You should be forward planning and anticipating and ensuring that you are pre-positioning and having the necessary supplies in reach of the island, should in case the situation escalates to the point where we would need to have such provisions made.
Mr. Holness said he has been assured that there will be adequate supplies and that prices will remain stable. He noted that retailers and suppliers in the distributive network have a critical role to play in ensuring general stability in the economy. At the same time, the Prime Minister had these words of comfort for consumers.
I want to take this opportunity to say to our Jamaican consumers that there should be no need for panic buying.
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
And at least one manufacturer is urging Jamaicans to use their power as consumers if they believe they're being exploited. President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Richard Pandue, is urging consumers to shop around.
I think what we need is our consumers to become a lot more educated and to understand the power of their dollar. I believe that in Jamaica that too many of our people, we don't spend the time to exercise and to shop around and to ask questions. I think if you start doing that, people start responding differently. So whether John Brown is right here, sir, and John P is right here, so they have two different prices, you still go there, sir, the higher price, instead of moving the business. And so why the man? There's no motivation for the man to reduce his price. I think our consumers in Jamaica need to become a lot more savvy and a lot more, just more aware that my money matters. And you move it to where you get better price. And competition is somewhere else that we need. Competition is a good thing for the economy. It's a good thing for the people and consumer.
To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 15,605 points today, while the junior market index gained 34 points. Among the winners, Express Catering, Portland JSX, Berger Paints, JMMB Group 7.5% and Jamaican Teas. On the losing side were G West Corporation, Epley, Panjam, Mayberry Jamaica Equities and Lasco Financial Services. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.42, the Canadian dollar $99.61. The pound is going for $176.71, while the euro closed at $154.75. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.